Mayang hapon, kanindong tanan, presidents, honored guests, and friends of the craft. Behold how good and pleasant it is when brothers dwell in unity. Your presence here is a testament to the enduring strength of Freemasonry and its profound impact on our lives and our communities. Freemasonry is built upon the pillars of tradition, honor, and respect.
Through these experiences, I came to understand more deeply that Freemasonry is not merely an organization. We join, but it is a way of life. Masonry teaches us that we must continually improve ourselves, striving to transform the rough ashlar of our character into something better through discipline, reflection, and brotherly guidance.
During this current Grandmaster's term, we have been undertaking the difficult but necessary reforms to strengthen our Blue Lodge, unify our fraternity, and position Philippine Masonry for growth for another 113 years and beyond. Under our current team, bawat isa sa Masoneria ay mahalaga. Each one in Masonry matters.
I therefore trust you have but one aim: to please one another and to unite in the grand design of promoting happiness. Worshipful Master, behold your brethren. Brethren, behold your Master. The brethren of South Palawan Masonic Lodge number 464, together with the rest of the brethren who wishes to do so, with under the direction of the worshipful brother Master of Ceremonies, salutes the worshipful Master in due and public form. Freemasonry is a journey, a lifelong pursuit of knowledge, service, and brotherhood. It is a path that leads us to discover not only the mysteries of the craft, but the deeper truths within ourselves. Finally, I extend my sincere gratitude to the brethren of South Palawan Masonic Lodge for entrusting me with the honor and responsibility of leadership. Your confidence humbles me and inspires me to serve with dedication, integrity, and love for our craft. Together, let us continue to build, to prosper, and to labor for the betterment of our lodge and for the fraternity as a whole.
The lodge is not defined by its walls, but by the character of its members and the harmony they cultivate among themselves and with others. To the duty installed officers, today you are all entrusted not merely with the titles and duties of office, but with responsibilities that carry deep moral and symbolic meaning. Each office you now hold is a charge to lead with wisdom, to govern with fairness, to labor with diligence, and to serve with humility. It is not the length of the journey, but the quality of the ride that will define us. Thus, let South Palawan Masonic Lodge continue to be an institution that promotes goodwill, strengthens moral character, and contributes positively to society.
Palakpakan po natin ang Palawan, South Palawan Masonic Lodge.